we have a two-ton ammo.
I don't see him other nowhere on this fucking train. I don't see him other nowhere on this train.
Bowling, driving there.
Oh, I'm not another bus.
Driving there, we have a 5-4-6 animals down here working on.
Give my gun.
Come on!
This is a Bronx-bound 4 express train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
Yo, man, yo, today, I think one of my boys told me that on there. I can't even start laughing. But then I was like, actually, I had appetite for chips.
Oh, thank God. Oh, it is?
This is Wall Street.
Stop playing, son.
Yes. Oh, wait, wrong way.
This is a Bronx-bound 4 express train. The next stop is Fulton Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Come on, man. Come on. Come here this way. Come on, child. Put your lips together. A round of applause, lips.
Where was it?
Come on, stay still, you fuck. Shishka bomb lips. Shishka lips.
Alright, that's
I wasn't even taping. You know you'll eat that shit because it tastes good too.
This is Fulton Street.
Transfer is available to 2, 3, 8, and C train.
No, it's not even funny no more, man. Like, you will be in.
Sorry, I'm just...
This is a Bronx-bound 4 express train. The next stop is
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Pulling the damn pole.
You love each other again. Everything's on plus.
I see how you always got to say something. It's not yours, right?
It is mine, so it's me. Yes, it is.
God damn, by God, Jesus. Ladies and gentlemen, the most relaxing somebody up here.
What's your song?
I am doing my damn song.
I wouldn't say that out loud if I were you. Man, we deep, son.
Ladies and gentlemen, watch this. Hold on. I'll hold it.
No, shut up. I'm punching your face.
This is
Shut up.
Fulton Bridge City
You're
Hall.
gonna lose a friend
Transfer is available to
Who does that?
6 and
That's what I'm gonna do.
train.
Who does that?
A brand new monkey from the Bronx. No, that's not your word for you.
This is a Bronx-bound 4 express train. The next stop is 14th Street.
Trying to read.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Can you read a little word here? Can you see anything here? Oh, you know.
No. Don't play with me. Don't play with me.
Beef 3. Hungry? How hungry are you? What are you willing to do? What are you willing to do? What are you willing? Come on, stop. You know how nasty you are? How many times has she been in my ears and back in your nose?
What?
What you doing?
You did something to me. Nasty.
Ugly.
Oh.
Look at you, right, sexy. Ew.
Oh, God, you
Mad rude.
Why?
How you?
I was doing it for the camera.
Okay, why am I?
I'm doing it for the camera. I didn't get it. That's gross. No. If this is what I want to put you on. That's nasty. Yeah. I got my pregnant. No. You fucking.
Mad? Wait. I know you're not talking. Okay, go ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, the most biggest feature in New York City on the 4 line.
Shut up, I'll stab you.